Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw your Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens from Coinbase to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving landscape of exchanges. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, so you can take control of your investments without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitrue. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your Shiba Inu holdings. It's usually under the Assets tab. Just search for SHIB if you have a lot of cryptos. Next, select SHIB and click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose a network. For SHIB, stick with the Ethereum network, as it's the most common and reliable option in 2025. Double-check this because using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Nobody wants that. Now, head over to your Bitrue account. Go to your wallet, find your SHIB balance, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial, so paste it carefully into the withdrawal form on Coinbase. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the transaction details. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Hit confirm, and you'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter it to finalize the transfer. Once submitted, the transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, you can track it using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Finally, once it's done, log back into Bitrue and check your SHIB balance to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly move your SHIB from Coinbase to Bitrue in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and double-check addresses. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.